Open elinstechnologies learning page. Go to Code Explain section, and click on Download. To download the Cloud Arduino code file. Now extract the file, and open the folder. The file we required is this, elins_edu_code1.eno. Open the Arduino file. Let us discuss the code. We have included Arduino header file ESP8266 HTTPS header file, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi header file. Here we need to enter detail of the Wi-Fi available at our home. Here we need to put SSID to find SSID. Go to Wi-Fi setting, here you will get exact SSID of your Wi-Fi. Now here write the password of your Wi-Fi. This is the setup function. First we initialize the serial monitor to display what is going on inside the controller. Next, we will use pin mode function to declare the GPIO pin D0 as output pin. Relay is connected at this pin. Next, again we will use pin mode function to declare GPIO pin D1 as output pin. Onboard LED is connected with this pin. Now we will use function, digital write, to make relay and onboard LED off initially. This is important function, Wi-Fi.begin. This function will connect NodeMCU with Wi-Fi. This while loop is used to wait till Wi-Fi will get connected. During waiting time it will keep printing, dot, on serial monitor. Then will display, Wi-Fi is successfully connected. This is device ID. Here you need to paste device ID which you have received from cloud. Next is the loop function. Here we will check if Wi-Fi is connected. This is the cloud URL. With this line we will start HTTP connection with the cloud. Then we will add HTTP header. Here we will make the HTTP GET request to cloud. With http.getString function, HTTP GET response is received, and it will be stored in payload string. Not HTTP connection is closed. Now we will check if response is equals to on. Then we will make relay on. Also if response off, we will make relay off. This code is to blink the blue LED to indicate one cycle to HTTP request. That's it, this is the code. Now we will connect NodeMCU with laptop using micro USB cable. Go to Tools, then Ports, and select the COM port, like this. Now again go to Tools, and make sure that current board and current port is selected. Now click on this arrow button to upload the code. The code is compiling. The code is uploading. Now it is done uploading. Then open the serial monitor as shown. It will show response from the cloud. On this cloud page, which corresponds to your device ID, click on to on, and check the response on serial monitor is on. In the code, if response is on, then relay will be on. Similarly, click on to off, and check the response on serial monitor is off. In the code, if response is off, then relay will be off. So in this way this code is executed in relation with cloud. Thank you for watching. Now go to next video, that is working demo.